Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I will showing you how to download the Rednote app. So the first thing you have to do is type Rednote in the App Store or Google Play Store. The name is still in Chinese, but it will pop up as soon as you search for Rednote. Then all you have to do is download the app, open it, and you will be greeted by different logging methods. You could either sign up with your phone number, or you can use other alternatives. I am on iPhone, so I will have the sign in by Apple feature. If you are on Android, you will probably get sign in with Facebook or other alternatives. The name you enter here will be your display name, and just create account. And as soon as you have created an account, you will be greeted by the interest page. Some people get these menus in English and some people get them in Chinese. I got them in Chinese, but they will change it. Or if you're lucky, you will get them in English straight away. So as soon as you have fixed this, you can just skip it. I will skip it. You will be greeted by the home page. And you can see that there are already a lot of English creators on this app. And you can also switch from the home page to the discover page, basically just like TikTok. You can see it's a lot of English creators. And right now I'm only getting English videos, but there are a few Chinese here and there. And yeah, that's how you create a Rednote account.